Oh no. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Bentley Continental Flying Spur, the first one, the Mullen edition. Here it is. Remember, it had the body damage in the back. It was hitting the back. All fixed up. Got a new rear window. All fixed up and painted. Suspension is fixed. New front bumper. The lights ain't tinted, they're just taped off because the car was just painted. You know, this should be all complete in a few days, put back together. See? Yep, this is the Mullen edition, the first one. 25,000 miles on it. All done, good to go. Tail lights are right there waiting to get put back in. See the lambskin rugs? This thing is beautiful. Just got back from Texas with the 1 Series. They had the good news on the Flying Spur Mullen edition. Flying Spur number 2 is outside. That should be fixed soon. Yeah, follow me. There's the 1 Series right now. I just drove that from Texas. We up here in New York. And Flying Spur number 2 is right here. The one I was driving the other day. Here it is. This thing is beautiful, isn't it? The bumper's pulled off. The bumper's about to be replaced, so this will be done. This should be done in about a week or so. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, support the page. That dude, Mr. Royalty.